Hello everyone. So, natay problem diri. Let E or the electric field is equals to xy ax plus x squared ay. Find the electric flux density. So, natay formula nga D for the electric flux density is equals to epsilon sub O or the constant times the electric field. So, ang value sa atong epsilon sub O is equals to 10 to the negative 9 over 36 pi times ang atong electric field, which is the given xy ax plus x squared ay. So, atong gamitan og calculator, atong i-simplify ang inkuan. So, 10 to the negative 9 over 36 pi, which is 8.84 times 10 to the negative 12 times atong electric field xy ax plus x squared ay. So, atong waton, igo na to siya i-distribute. So, D equals to 8.84 times ating xy ax is equals to 8.84 xy ax plus 8.84 x squared ay. So, naman tayo times 10 to the negative 12, so or equivalent siya sa atong final answer nga the electric flux density or D is equals to 8.84 times 8.84 xy ax plus 8.84 x squared ay pico coulombs per meter squared. So, mao ni atong final answer.